Hello friends, I'm Ashudev. I done my BTech from MD University Rohtak. In this video we talk about Ganga river system from Bhagirathi, you can say Gomukh to Ganga Sagar. So we start first from Bhagirathi and Alaknanda. The confluence of Bhagirathi and Alaknanda Ganga river from Uttarakhand and start flowing, and first tributary, that is a Ram Ganga, and the second one, this Ram Ganga is a left bank tributary, and here we have a Gomti river. This is also coming from Uttar Pradesh, that Pilibhit, and confluence point is Varanasi, and same as a Ghagra, this one coming from a Nepal, and confluence point is in Chhapra district in Bihar. So here we have a Buri Gandak and Gandak, both are coming from Nepal. So the confluence point of Gandak river is in Patna district, you can say Sonpur, and Buri Gandak also, the confluence point is in Bihar, that is district is in Khagadia, and Kosi river, the confluence point is Bhagalpur. So these all are the left bank tributary of Ganga river system. First one is Ram Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Buri Gandak and Kosi river. These are the main six tributaries of Ganga from a left bank, and here we have a four main, you can say four main. Here I mentioned five, but we have a four main tributaries from a right bank, that is a Yamuna, Son, Punpun, Damodar and Ajay. Ajay is not that much important for an exam point of view, but these four are main important for exam point of view for IAS, IPS and all the competitive examination. Yamuna start from Yamunotri, as you know, and confluence point is in Allahabad. Son river start from Amarkantak and confluence point is in Patna district, and Punpun the same, they start from a Palamu district, from the hills of from Palamu, that is in Jharkhand, Chota Nagpur plateau, and confluence point is in Patna district, or you can say Patna. And Damodar started from Jharkhand, the same Chota Nagpur plateau, that is Latehar, and the confluence point is in Haldia district, or near that is in West Bengal. And here we have a distributaries of Ganga, that one is the Padma river, the flowing point is in Bangladesh, it flows in Bangladesh, and this here this point is the Farakka barrage, as I told you earlier about the Farakka. This is a Farakka barrage. From here Ganga divide into two parts, Padma and Hooghly. So here a Ganga Sagar form, and these are the Ganga delta, you can say these are the Ganga delta, and here a Sundarban also, Sundarban forest. So this falls under the Bay of Bengal. So the friends, here we have some facts about Ganga tributaries. So here we have a main tributaries. So first, left bank, that is a Ram Ganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Buri Ganga and Kosi. These are the main left bank tributaries. And here we have a main right bank tributaries, that is a Yamuna, Son, Punpun and Damodar. And total length of Ganga river is, that is the 2525 kilometers that Ganga covers. So for detail information, you can go to my all videos from part 1 to part 4b. Part 1 started from Uttarakhand Ganga river system, then part 2 is the UP Ganga river system, and part 3 is the Bihar Ganga river system, and part 4 is the West Bengal Ganga river system. Part 4a and part 4b belongs to West Bengal Ganga river system, and this one is a part 5, that is this is all a brief knowledge about a Ganga river system. So friends, please do like and share my video. This is all Ganga river system. This is a beautiful map of India. So you can please share, like and comment on my video, or subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.